Hello guys, my today's topic is how you can remove your debit credit card from Smule. So guys, if you are using Smule and you like to record your songs and you have taken a membership of Smule, paid membership, and now you want to cancel your membership. First, I want to tell you, Smule has its own system, its own rule that if you once add your debit credit card in Smule, it you can't remove your debit credit card from Smule because there is no option like this. And this is why Smule cuts monthly charge again and again from your debit credit card. So if you want to remove your debit credit card, then I am going to tell you how you can do this. So first you have to go Play Store app. And why Play Store app? I want to tell you that Smule use Play Store payment method, and your debit credit card that you add on a Smule account is actually get added through Google Play. So what you have to do, you have to remove your debit credit card from Google Play, then it will be automatically removed from Smule. So what you have to do, you can see its Play Store app, and you have to go in this you have to click on these three lines, and here you will see some menus, and you have to choose the menu of payment methods. Then you can see here is my debit card is added, Mastercard 4425. So I have to remove this. I have to show you how you can remove this. Then what you have to do, you can see in the below area that more payment settings. So in the above area you can see that your card is added and you have to remove it. Then you have to go more payment setting. After clicking on more payment settings, the page will be redirected to the Google Pay system, where your all debit credit card are added for payment. So you can see this is the Google Payment Center, and you can see, you will see here your Google Play balance if you have any. Then below it you will see your debit card, credit card, whatever is added. So you have to remove it. Then you just have to click on the remove tab. So it once again asks you, do you want to remove it? You can read, remove it means you would not be able to use this payment method for other Google products and services without adding it again. Then you can actually get if you remove it, then you could not use it again, you will have to add it again. So but finally you have to remove, because you have to remove your from Smule, so it is very necessary to remove it from here. So you just have to click on remove again, and your card will be removed. You can see now that there is no payment method added. So now problem so in this way your problem will be resolved. So guys, okay, thank you, hope you liked the video. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.